Today we will demonstrate our seed counting machine on onion seed. You can see right now we are having an onion seeds in the pan. Now we will tell you how to count the seeds. First of all, you have to adjust this knob according to the size and shape of the seeds. Now we are just adjusting this knob and making the way so that only one single seed can move through this way to the sensor. So you can see we have adjusted the knob as per the size of the shape and size of the seed. Okay, now from menu button we will go to mode set. There are two options, free count and bulk count. In free count it will continuously keep on counting from 1 to 99,999. Okay. And in bulk count you can count in batches from 99,999 seeds to any batch, 100, 50, 25, 10, whatever you want to count you can count. 100, 500, 1000, 2000, 1500, whatever you want to count you have to select it here. So now we have given a value of 2500 grains has been selected. So we'll just simply press the OK, and from menu button we go to back. So now just we have to press the count button. The machine will start working. From here you can see that only one single seed is going through the way. So you have to, every time you have to make sure whatever seed you are counting, you have to adjust this knob as per the shape and size of the seeds, so that only one single seed can pass through this way to the counting sensor. You can see here we have 2500 pieces to count, and this is a time showing in how many time it has counted the seeds. Now the value is 430 approximately in 1 minute. So it will tell you in how many minutes it has counted 2500 pieces. From here you can adjust the speed of the counting machine. Right now the speed is 26, so you can increase or decrease the speed from here also. You can see you can increase and decrease the speed as per your requirement. If the size of the seed is small, then you have to run the machine on a slow speed. If the size is big, you can run this machine on the higher speed also. For better accuracy, it's for small seeds it's better to run the machine on slow speed. You can see it has already counted 2360 seeds. After counting 2500 seeds, the machine will automatically stop. You can see the machine has been stopped. So the pan has been emptied. Thank you.